All of today's dishes are for you, Aries. And since you're big and you're bold, I thought you'd like a big bowl of rich lamb ragu on Pappardelle. This is ground lamb I got at my local butcher. She's an Aries, by the way. If you're serious about your cooking, you need a good butcher in your life and a good red wine. This one is a Cab Sauv, big flavors. Let me show you how to make a quick sachet. Cinnamon, cloves, and bay leaves are all classic spices for this dish. Makes a nice little package, easy to remove when the ragu is done raguing. One ingredient every ragu needs, thyme. And I ain't talking about the herb. Oh my Zodiac, that smells delicious. All right, Aries. Let's talk dream jobs. Your color is red, and you like an adrenaline rush. How about a matador? You're good under pressure, and you can stand the heat. So how about a firefighter? Plus, you got nerves of steel. So, maybe a surgeon? Feta is better. Someday, when I'm a really famous chef, I'ma just hire someone to do this for me. All right, Aries, come on. Wow, that lamb, wow. Up next, I always end with something sweet. Also, the lowdown on 3 things an Aries should never eat. And a tune from the Mercurial retrogrades.